Here I am in a Teams classroom. I created a classroom for my students. I added the students and I added the LSCs or class assistants. I have a channel called General. Here I have several tabs which are there by default. Posts. Under Posts, I can start a new conversation with all the classroom or I direct it at someone in particular. I can upload class materials here and I can set up a class notebook. From Posts, I can communicate with the whole class. The Files tab, I can upload any material and I can divide it into different folders. Here I have a default folder called Class Materials. From New, I can create several other folders: Word documents, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote notebook, and Forms. In the class notebook, I can write the homework if I want. I can write any notes that I want the students to see. I can write the revision work there. First, I have to set up a OneNote class notebook. On the tab Assignments, which is there by default, I can create. From existing, if I have something, a quiz, an assignment that already exists in one of my classrooms. If I have several classrooms, or if I am added to other classrooms by other teachers, I can create something from these existing classrooms. I can create a quiz. Here, I have to prepare it beforehand. I have to prepare it on Forms, and I will find it from there. For example, if I click Quiz here, it will take me to the forms that I already created, and I can click on them next, or else I can create a new form if I want. Going to click Cancel because I'm not going to insert any quizzes, and I can create an assignment. I can give this assignment to all the students. There is the title, I can add a category, instructions on what they have to do, how many points this assignment has if I want to add some point, to whom I'm going to give it, to all the students, to some of the students, and the date due. And then I'm going to save it. This will arrive to all my students. Once I create assignments, and if they have points, they will be put automatically in the Grades tab, and each student can see his or her grades. These are the main options of the class team. Of course, you can add channels, you can create a meeting on the calendar, you can add any other app that you want. There are various free apps that you can use and share with your students. There are several apps which are very interesting and which can make your life easier. These are all free and you can choose from these apps to share with your students and create with your students.